Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from VT Market to Binance. First, go to the VT Markets client portal and open the funds section. Then, select withdrawal. Choose cryptocurrency as the withdrawal method and select a coin that is supported by both VT Markets and Binance, such as USDT on TRC20 or ERC20, BTC or ETH. USDT on the TRC20 network is the cheapest and fastest option. Next, log into Binance and go to Wallet, then tap on Deposit and select Crypto. Now choose the same coin you selected on VT Markets, for example USDT, and then select the exact same network such as TRC20. Copy the Binance deposit address carefully, because using the wrong network can result in lost funds. Now go back to VT Markets and paste the Binance deposit address. Enter the withdrawal amount and double check that the selected network matches exactly and submit the withdrawal request. After that, complete the email and two-factor authentication verification. Crypto withdrawals usually take around 10 minutes to a few hours to process, and once completed, the funds will appear in your Binance Spot wallet. VT Market processing time depends on the selected cryptocurrency and a blockchain fee applies. The TRC20 network usually has the lowest fee. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.